Hi, I'm Jim Pink of MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. This 2021 Harris Cruiser has a 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder. You'll notice that the ladder is actually angled in an out position. It makes it easier to get in and out of when you're in the water. Has a real large grab handle here on the sides. Makes boarding very simple. Has all your stainless steel fencing. Allows you to sit back here on this large lounge seat while underway. For those that have animals, pets, it does have a door that locks off here. Plenty of cup holders, all stainless steel throughout the boat. Dual captain chairs with armrests, a swivel and recline. Nice dash layout, brand new for 2021. It's a Fusion stereo system. Power supply for your cell phones and charging. Has the black acrylic table. Side door entry. One thing noted for Harris, they have a 12-foot bimini top, so if you're looking for something with a lot of sunshade, this would be your boat. This particular boat is in the blue with the French gray interior. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Harris or any of the others that we carry in our inventory. Thank you.